Hey, and welcome to Bog Brook Auto. Today we're taking a look at an orphaned engine. I say orphaned. I bought a 2008 Hummer H3. They come with an all aluminum 5.3. It had 180,000 on it, almost exactly. We took it out, and that makes it an orphan. Great running engine, and we put one of our iron block 6-liter hot rod engines so we could demonstrate the engine locally, our hot rod engine, that is. What makes this desirable is this is what we call a no-no engine. Now, it does have your cam timing for a Gen 4, 58 tooth crank reluctor, but you'll notice there's no boob off of here. There's no big setback. This does not have VVT. And up here, you'll notice that this valley cover is perfectly flat. This engine does not have displacement on demand or active fuel management. In fact, around here we call displacement on demand, DOD, death on demand. What makes this engine nice? It's all aluminum. That is the original harmonic. It came from South Carolina. That's why I bought it and brought it up here to the land of ice, snow, and rust. This has 799 heads, which, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there, kind of, sort of, right there. It produced 300 horse rated from the factory. Besides being aluminum and being 65 pounds lighter, if you wanted to make a hot rod engine, this is an awesome start. If you're looking for a replacement engine, this would fit as a long block, I believe 07 right up into, I think, 13 for the half ton. It will replace a 4.8 or a 5.3. You would simply put your intake on it, injection system. It has cathedral port heads on it, which the 4.8 and the 5.3s do. Nice clean engine. As I said, we didn't have to do much to it, didn't have any leaks. Its big problem was that it was a 5.3 and we wanted to showcase our 6.0 hot rod engines that we're selling the piss out of. That's our stock number, 211018, which means I bought it at the very beginning of 2001. 180K, 5.3. If this is something you'd like as a replacement engine or a great place to start, it had, I believe, about 35 pounds of oil pressure. It was healthy, quiet. Like I said, its big fault in life is it got in the way of one of our hot rod engines. Give us a call here at Bog Brook Auto. The number is 207-261-1341. Thanks.